all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
A major police document was released by Joe Biden's Democratic Party on Indian Americans. Joe Biden's campaign statement has focused on strengthening India-US ties.
Biden will deliver on his long-standing belief that India and the United States are natural partners, and a Biden administration will place a high priority on continuing to strengthen the US-India relationship. No common global challenge can be solved without India and the United States working as responsible partners.
The campaign said Democratic presidential candidate Joe Biden believes there can be no tolerance for terrorism in South Asia, cross-border or otherwise. Biden administration will also work with India to support a rules-based and stable Indo-Pacific region in which no country, including China, is able to threaten its neighbors with impunity.
Together, we will continue strengthening India's defense and capabilities as a counter-terrorism partner, improving health systems and pandemic response, and deepening cooperation in areas such as higher education, space exploration, and humanitarian relief.
The policy document comes days after Biden named Indian origin US Senator Kamala Harris as the Democratic Party's vice presidential candidate. Harris, whose father is an African from Jamaica and mother an Indian, is the first ever black vice presidential nominee.
Biden will ensure that South Asian Americans are represented in his administration, starting with his vice presidential nominee, Senator Kamala Harris, whose mother emigrated from India to study and build a life in the United States. Our government will reflect the diversity of the United States, and Indian American voices will be included in shaping the policies that impact their communities. From fighting COVID-19 to building our economy back better to reforming our system of immigration, a Biden-Harris administration will be one that Indian Americans can count on.
The campaign statement also laid emphasis on core values of democracy and affirms that it unites India and US.
As the world's oldest and largest democracies, the United States and India are bound together by their shared democratic values, fair and free elections, equality under the law, and the freedom of expression and religion. These core principles have endured throughout each of our nation's histories and will continue to be the source of our strength in the future.
Biden has also promised to reform H-1B visa system and eliminate country quota for green card citizens.
He will increase the number of visas offered for permanent work-based immigration based on macroeconomic conditions and exempt from any cap recent graduates of PhD programs in STEM fields. He will support first reforming the temporary visa system for high-skilled specialty jobs to protect wages and workers, then expanding the number of visas offered and eliminating the limits on employment-based green cards by country, which have kept so many Indian families in waiting for too long.
The Democratic Party closely worked with India when the Obama government was in power, and Joe Biden wants to continue this. With the campaign statement being released and agenda for Indian Americans clear from the Democratic Party, it is sure to put pressure on the Republicans led by Trump.